Hello friends, in this episode I'm going to show you how you can power both a universal dashcam and a radar detector directly from the rain sensor located in the rear view mirror housing of your car. I previously presented a similar adapter, but that one did not support parking mode. This time the guys from FitDVR sent me this adapter that supports parking mode and can power two devices at the same time. This means you no longer have to occupy the cigarette lighter port with all kinds of splitters and chargers just to power multiple devices, especially if we also include the smartphone charger. As you probably know, those adapters plugged into the cigarette lighter usually don't look very nice either. So let me show you what this product is all about. This is the packaging of the FitDVR adapter. And this small device is actually the adapter. It has a single button that allows you to set the duration of the parking mode. On the side we have a USB-A port for powering a dashcam and another 12-volt output which you can use, for example, to power a radar detector. The adapter also comes with a 3M adhesive strip which allows you to mount it on the windshield or on the mirror housing in a position that does not obstruct your visibility at all. Inside the accessory box we have a plastic trim removal tool which is very useful during installation. Here we also have several power adapters depending on the type of connector used by your dashcam or radar detector. In my opinion, this kit covers pretty much every possible configuration on the market. And here we have the very simple adapter used to draw power from the rain sensor. Of course, we also get a quick start guide in several languages, but honestly the installation process is quite intuitive. Here's a short clip from a previous video where I showed how messy it looks when powering two devices directly from the cigarette lighter compared to using this type of adapter. You'll find all the links you need in the description. First, I'll remove the universal dashcam and get rid of this cable that runs all the way down to the cigarette lighter. Let's install everything on a Skoda Octavia. Every car has its own mirror housing design, so it's always best to search for a video dedicated to a specific car model. For example, on the Skoda Octavia, the cover simply rotates counterclockwise and then pulls down. On Mercedes models, usually just push the cover down using the trim removal tool. Here you can see the connector that powers the rain sensor. Using the trim removal tool, I disconnect the original power connector. Then I take the adapter from the box and plug the identical connector into the same port. The original connector now goes into the female port of the adapter. We can also see a small LED light, which means that now we have power. Now we connect the remaining cable and the module connector and then hide everything above the headliner. As you can see, the FitDVR adapter is already powered on. I hid the connection between the two cables right here above the headliner. Now I can reinstall the mirror housing. I also mounted the adapter directly on the windshield behind the mirror, so it is completely hidden from the driver's view. And here is the final result. The position of the adapter also allows me to power a radar detector mounted in the center of the windshield without having to run another cable to the cigarette lighter. Now all that's left is to choose the operating mode. You can set it to ACC mode, meaning the dashcam will only receive power when the ignition is on, just like when powered from the cigarette lighter. Or you can enable parking mode, where the dashcam continues recording even after the engine is turned off for 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, or even 24 hours. Personally, I think it is a very useful accessory that makes installing and powering a dashcam much easier and much cleaner. If you enjoyed this product presentation, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment and consider subscribing, because I'm currently working on some crazy new episodes coming soon.